Snow White, a beautiful princess with ebony hair and skin as fair as snow, lived with her wicked stepmother, the Queen. The Queen was jealous of Snow White's beauty and ordered a huntsman to kill her. However, the huntsman couldn't bring himself to harm the innocent princess and let her escape into the deep forest. Lost and frightened, Snow White stumbled upon a small cottage, which belonged to 7 dwarfs. They welcomed her, and she offered to keep the house tidy in exchange for their kindness. Meanwhile, the Queen discovered that Snow White was still alive and decided to take matters into her own hands. Disguised as an old hag, the Queen tricked Snow White with a poisoned apple, causing her to fall into a deep slumber. The dwarfs, devastated by her fate, placed her in a glass coffin. One day, a handsome prince arrived and fell in love with Snow White's lifeless beauty. He kissed her gently, breaking the spell. Snow White awoke, and they lived happily ever after. The wicked queen met her own demise, and Snow White became a beloved princess, loved by all for her kindness and grace.